Many people enjoy eating oranges, but most throw away the peels without knowing how valuable they are. Orange peels are not just waste. They're rich in nutrients and natural oils that can help your garden in amazing ways. In this video, we'll show you 3 powerful methods to turn orange peels into natural fertilizers and pest control solutions. These ideas are easy to follow, completely chemical-free, and can help your plants grow better and stay healthy. So next time you eat an orange, save the peels, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more simple gardening tips. Method 1. Orange peel powder. The all-in-one garden helper. This is the most useful method because once you make orange peel powder, you can use it in 2 different ways: to improve the soil and as a spray to keep pests away. It's easy to make, store, and use whenever your garden needs a boost. Start by collecting orange peels from your home. Wash them to remove any dirt or chemical residues. Then, lay them out on a tray or plate in a warm, sunny spot to dry. If the sun isn't strong or you want to dry them faster, use a food dehydrator or an oven set to low heat. Make sure the peels are fully dry and crispy, with no moisture left. Once dry, break the peels into smaller pieces and put them in a grinder or blender. Blend them until you get a fine, dry powder. Store this powder in a clean, dry container with a lid. Keep it in a cool place away from sunlight. This powder can last for months if stored properly. Here's how to use this powder in 2 powerful ways. Sprinkle around plants. Take a handful of orange peel powder and sprinkle it directly onto the soil around your plants. This powder is full of nutrients like potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which help your plants grow stronger. These nutrients improve root development, support flowering and fruiting, and keep the plant's overall health in balance. Also, orange peel powder slowly breaks down in the soil, acting like a slow-release fertilizer. It feeds the soil, improves its texture, and attracts earthworms, which are great for your garden. The strong citrus smell also keeps ants, aphids, and other insects from coming near your plant roots. Two, make a natural pest repelling spray. Add 5 tablespoons of the powder to 1 liter of warm water. Stir well and let it sit for 30-60 minutes so the water can absorb the oils and nutrients. Then strain the liquid using a cloth or fine strainer and pour it into a spray bottle. This spray can be applied to the leaves of your plants. It acts as a natural insect repellent, chasing away aphids, spider mites, ants, and even fungal infections. It also gives your plants a light nutrient boost through the leaves. Spray once a week, in the early morning or evening when the sun isn't too strong. Using orange peel powder regularly will make your garden smell fresh, keep pests away, and strengthen your plants without using any harmful chemicals. Method 2. Orange peel soak. Make magic water for plants. This method is very simple and gives you a liquid fertilizer and pest control water in just a few days. Collect orange peels from about 10 to 12 oranges. Place them in a large 10-liter bucket filled with clean water. Rainwater is best if available. Cover the bucket loosely so air can flow, but dust stays out. Let this sit for 3 days. In this time, the water pulls nutrients and natural oils from the peels. The liquid turns slightly cloudy and starts to smell like oranges. Now you can use this orange water in 2 smart ways. As a soil drench, pour the liquid directly into the soil around your plants. It adds nutrients like potassium and small amounts of nitrogen that support plant growth. It also improves soil health and encourages root growth. As a leaf spray, strain the liquid, pour it into a spray bottle, and spray it onto your plant's leaves. This helps the plant absorb nutrients directly through its leaves and also repels pests like whiteflies and mealybugs. The leftover peels can be thrown into your compost bin to further improve your soil. This method is perfect for vegetable gardens, flower pots, and even indoor plants. It's safe, effective, and easy to make. Method 3. Quick orange peel, spray to repel insects. If you're short on time and want a fast way to protect your plants, this method is perfect. It takes less than an hour and uses ingredients you already have at home. Tear a few orange peels into small pieces and place them in a bowl of warm water, not boiling. Let them soak for 30 minutes. During this time, the orange oils will mix with the water. After 30 minutes, take out the peels and gently squeeze each piece into the water to release extra oils. Strain the water and pour it into a spray bottle. Add 4 tablespoons of mild dish soap without bleach or harsh chemicals. Shake well. The soap helps the spray stick to leaves and also kills soft-bodied pests like aphids and spider mites. Spray this mixture directly on the leaves of your plants, especially on the undersides. This spray works as a natural insect killer and also protects against fungal infections. Use it once a week or after rain to keep your garden pest-free. This spray is safe to use on most plants, including vegetables, flowers, and houseplants. It also smells fresh and keeps mosquitoes away from the garden area. Orange peels are more than just kitchen waste. They're a secret weapon for every gardener. Whether you dry them into powder, soak them into liquid, or make a quick spray, you're giving your plants something special without spending extra money or using chemicals. If you like these ideas, check out our other videos where we show you how to make natural fertilizers, garden sprays, and soil boosters using things from your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.